cositas. I'm gonna start recording the class and start sharing. Now you need to open your notebook because everything has to be in your notebook. Should be in your notebook. Now, let me see. This is this one yours or this is the other one? Let me open in the platform. I have sent you different information. Oh no, this is economics. Oh, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let me open it. Let me show you. Everybody should be watching what is here. Now, I left some activities that today we're going to complete it. And I signed it in week number 4, from 13 July until 17 July. And this is the PDF and the other document about the first conditional. We are going to discuss it very quickly. Okay, so you have to show me that you finished that assignment already. Now, I don't want to be mean like the last time that I have to deduct some points for your next test. I don't want to do it once again. So let's begin with this one, the first conditional, okay? Let's begin. Now, question, have we done this already? Yes or not? Have we discussed this? I think we discussed the first one. We haven't discussed this one, the second one, okay? So let me open this. Okay, right now I am able to see like 8 persons. Now over here there are from 1 to 15. Now number 1 is for Mr. Let me go in order. Now the first one is for Meron. The second, number 2 is for Sofia Pitti. The third one is for Josue. The fourth for Ana Ramos. The fifth, Gabriel Arturo Centella. The sixth for Chirino. 6 is this one, Chirino, the 6th. Number 7, Kenneth, is this one, number 7. Number 8, Gabriela Ho, number 8, this one, Gabriela Ho. Number 9 is Marisol Liu. Number 9 is Robert, okay. Number 10 is for Alessandra Cintaris. 11 for Sarah Science. Okay, are we ready? Let's begin, guys. Go ahead. Beginning with Meron. Move, Meron. Number 1. Open your mic. Now remember, everything has to be in your notebook. You can print it and paste it, or you can write it down. That's up to you. Go ahead, Meron. You are the first one.
If Robert goes to bed late, he will sleep in.
Number 2.
If he sleeps in, he will miss the bus.
Number 3.
If he misses the bus, he will be late for work.
He will be, Okay, number 4.
The bee won't stink if you don't move.
Number 4.
The bee
No.
won't.
Number 4. If he what? Bird is our.
If he is late for work, his boss will be angry.
He will be angry. He will be angry. Okay, number 5.
If Robert boss is angry, he will fire him.
Yes, number 6.
If Robert loses his job, her girlfriend will get upset with him.
And 7.
If Robert's girlfriend gets upset again, she will break up with him.
Number 8.
If he breaks up with him, he will be alone.
I can hear you louder. 8. If she what breaks up?
breaks up with him, he will be lonely.
Yes, number 9.
If Robert feels lonely, he will call some friends.
Number 10.
If Robert calls his friends, they will ask him to their party.
11.
If Robert goes to the party, he will drink too much beer.
Okay, Meron again. 12. Meron, number 12 again.
If Robert drinks too much beer, he will need a ride home.
Number 13. Who's next? Sarah, I think.
If
No.
Robert needs a
Yeah.
ride home, he will have to stay until.
Okay, next. 13. No, sorry, 14. Anybody, quickly.
If Robert stays until the end of the party, he will get home late.
Yeah, and the last one, 15.
If Robert gets home late, he will go to bed late.
Yes, excellent, guys. Now let's move on to this one. This is a negative form. Now, let's do the same row, beginning with Maria Meron. Go ahead. Number 1, Meron. Maria Meron, he won't. Maria Meron. Number 1, he won't play tennis tomorrow if it rains. Number 2, Maria Meron, number 2. Maria Meron, number 2. She lets the children play in the house. She will let if they don't make too much noise. Number 3, Maria Meron. Maria Meron. Number 3.
If we don't hurry, we will miss our plane.
We what?
We will.
We will miss our plane. Number 4, Sophia.
David won't stay if you don't move.
If we don't move, yes. Number 5, Josue.
If you don't speak louder, no one will hear you.
No one will hear you. Yes, Number 6.
We'll be late if we don't take the car.
If we don't take, yes. Number 7.
If it isn't hot tomorrow, we won't go to the beach.
Yes, number 8. Number 8.
If you don't take your umbrella, you will get wet.
Yes, number 9. Number 9. Who's next?
You won't pass
Your test.
the test if you don't study harder.
Yes, number 10.
If he doesn't find a job soon, she won't marry him.
11.
They won't forgive you if you don't say you're sorry.
12. 12. Centella, Gabriel, go. 12.
The bank won't lend you money if you don't have a good job.
Yes. 13. Kenneth, and then Alexandra Sintaris. Kenneth, 13.
If you don't clean your room, your mother won't let you go to the movie tonight.
Yes.
If you don't quit smoking, you will get sick.
Yes. Meron, 15. And MPT. Meron, 15. Sophia, 15.
You won't be able to sleep if you watch that horror movie.
Yeah. 16.
If you don't set your alarm clock, you will not wake up on time.
You won't. You won't. Okay. 17.
You won't improve if you don't practice.
Yes. 8. There's no 18. Okay. Okay. We finished this. So that means that you should have already this topic in your notebook, guys. So please remember that I'm going to ask eventually. I'm not going to tell you when. You should have it ready in your notebook. Are we clear, guys? I don't want to hear any complaints, and I don't want to receive any email from any parent saying that I have to give you. I'm not going to give you any other chance. You should have everything ready in your notebook, guys. Now let's move on to this one. This is the other assignment that I handed to you already. We need to make this match. It says, if you visit this city, match the second half of the tip from the travel guide. From A and B, giving advice to tourists visit a city with the beginning of each sentence from 1 to 8. Write the letter of the connect sentence ending in the space. Okay, now you only write the letter and complete it. Okay, now over there is one example. If you book accommodation early, it says letter I, you shouldn't have difficult getting a good hotel. Now, number 1, if you lost in the city, what?
Don't panic.
Which
D.
one? What letter?
Don't
D.
panic. D.
B. You shouldn't be able to get ticket easy.
D.
Oh, D, sorry, D. Don't panic. Okay, okay. So letter D over here. Now, number 2, if you visit the Central Museum,
F.
you might find some good souvenirs in the museum. If you visit the Central Museum, is there any other option, guys?
C.
C. Some of the tourist attractions might be open. If you visit the Central Museum, some of the tourist attractions might be open. Think so? What do you think, Josue? Ana Ramos. D.
E.
B. You should be able to get
E.
E. You shouldn't have to, yes, this is the one. You shouldn't have to queue at museums and art galleries. Q es pararte en la línea. Q. Pararte en la línea. Ok, aquí va la, ok, visit va la E. La I y la E. Okay. Now, number 3, if you want to go to the opera, you might.
G.
B.
B, you should be able to get tickets early if you want to go to the opera, yes. Number 4, if you go to the market.
F.
F, you see the F, it said, you might find some good souvenirs. Yes, that could work. Number 4. Number 5, if you want to avoid the crowds.
H.
H.
You might like to climb to top.
H.
Oh, H, okay. Don't come at the height of the tourist season. Oh yeah, definitely is H. Number 5 is H. Number 6, if you buy a tourist pass.
I.
No, there's go E.
It's very difficult getting a good hotel.
That should be E, no?
No, that
E.
that
You should
that's
be able
not
to
go
queue,
E.
no?
That's
We had already.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
there's
that's
no
E.
yes later.
That's E.
What?
That's
Which
E.
one? E.
E.
This one.
Yes.
You shouldn't have to queue again.
No. Yes, the Central Museum goes with it was with C, I think.
With letter C. Tourist attraction might
Yeah, that
not be
doesn't
open.
match with any other.
Okay,
D match.
okay, let's move on and let's see. If you feel energetic one day, then you might like to climb to the top. This one, I think that goes with this one. 7 with you might like. And the last one, if you come here in the winter,
D.
D.
It's C.
D.
No panic. Oh, B. You should be able to get ticket. Which one?
No, what?
This one. I.
C.
Oh, B.
C.
B. You should be able to get ticket easily. No. So,
C.
C.
winter.
And
Yeah.
the one with the Central Museum
Yeah,
should
leave it
be
there.
E.
No puse más alto. Ya usted todo.
The one of the Central Museum should be G, no? Go straight to the 3rd floor. That's the only one who makes sense.
No. So which one is the answer, guys?
In the opera, you should go to the 3rd floor to see it better.
3rd floor. That's what she said.
If you want to go to the opera, where is it? Go straight to the 3rd floor to see it better. To watch
The opera at the 3rd floor.
Yes.
Anyway, I don't have the answer, guys. I don't have the answer sheet. But anyway, if you think that this is a practice. Anyway, now this is the interesting part that I want to it. And is we have 6 minutes. Now you have to complete these ones. It's over to you. First conditional, say or write down 3 things that you believe are possible in your future. And 3 things that you think are possible in the future in general. Using first conditional sentence, using a negative verb in some of the sentence. All right, down 3 things that you believe are possible in your future. Now you have to, for instance, become a doctor, or become an engineer, or have a family. Yeah, these are 3 possible things. You write down 3 things that you believe are possible in the future. And 3 things that you think are possible in the future in general. Using first conditional sentence, and then use negative verb in some of the sentence. Okay, then you need to write over here 3 sentences. 2 affirmative and the other one negative. Okay, I'm gonna give you, now tomorrow we'll discuss, okay? Tomorrow we're going to discuss this, okay? So you should have it ready by tomorrow. Now let's move on to another thing. Now with this, we finished already these 2 that we had it pending. Now over here, let me see. I'm gonna move through this platform. Now this. Week number 7. Video summary. You were supposed to summarize this video. Now, Mr. Josue Santamaria, did you do it? Be honest. Ana Ramos, did you do it? Did you summarize this video? Maria Meron, did you do it? Sofia Petit, Kenneth, Ho. Oh, Ho did it. Okay, excellent. What about Marisol Liu? Yeah, what about Chirino? No, Chirino, no, he hasn't done it. Okay, now, tomorrow we're going to discuss this one. Oh, this is not the one. This one that you need to make 3 sentences. This one, and then we're going to discuss this one. The video you need to write a summary in your notebook, and also we're going to discuss this. It says watch. Let me remove this. It says watch the video in new about the topic and make summary in your notebook. Now work on page 90 and 91. Start off. Number 1, reading 1 and 2, and language spot. The past continues, okay? Now tomorrow we're going to deal with those topics in order to complete this chapter. Are we clear, guys? Yes, teacher. Okie dokie. Then it's 9:44, I think, 9:43. So you have, I'm gonna give you these 2 extra minutes for you to enjoy it and try to complete this assignment. Now, tomorrow I'm going to call at random. Then if you don't have it, if you don't have an answer for me, then you're gonna lose 5 points for your next test. Are we clear? Josué, Santa Maria. Okie dokie, Kenneth Chu. Ready, okay. See you tomorrow, guys, then. Bye-bye, take care.